Is this on?
Yes, it is. Now.
Okay, I'm not a pro like you.
All right.
Yep.
Put the
Greg there, 65 years old. That's old. I thought I was old. I'm only 56.
I almost got 10 on you. All right, you ready? I'm going.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Okay. Call 911. Oh, we hit the jump. Woo. Oh, cleared that.
Now we're going to start into the speed out.
Okay. This is like Post Canyon here.
Yeah.
Is that Grand Prix or whatever? Yeah, this is fun. Woo. Ooh, skunk. That was fun. Woo! Oh, they're having a party up there?
Yeah, they're doing a work.
Okay.
You're doing Stumpalicious.
Okay. It's a bumpalicious.
Stumpalicious.
Gapalicious, Stumpalicious. That was fun trail. Yeah, you can see after a while you start hitting the step ups and stuff off the sides. That was fun.
Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
Get
good.
some G outs going.
Yeah, that one, yeah. Whew. Oh, is this off? Here. Right.